My name is Rick Martin. I'm an attorney practicing here at Martin IP Law Group in Evansville, Indiana, and we specialize in intellectual property law, which basically covers patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Probably what made me want to do law, my dad was an attorney. I actually did practice with him doing a general practice for several years. We also work with a lot of creatives, artists, authors. Copyright protects those kinds of things. So if you have a logo, if you have a brand name, you're not necessarily protected. There are some limited protections available to it if it's not registered, but in order to really get full protection for that, it's important to register that with the U.S. Trademark Office and to secure your rights nationwide. I see a lot of clients come to me and they adopt a name, they adopt a logo before, one, getting clearance to use that, and two, before actually trying to register that. And this is typically after they have spent thousands of dollars building that brand, growing that brand, and now they're faced with the possibility of having to potentially rebrand because somebody else was using it before them and they didn't check it out. If you've got a company that innovates and makes inventions, patents are going to protect that. Patenting something is very, very complicated, and it's very detail-oriented, and it's not something to go into lightly and to try and do yourself. I've seen people do that before, and either one of two things happens. Either they get so far down the road and the patent office is sending them rejections, which happens frequently. The other problem that you can have if you try and patent something yourself is you write it up and you go too narrow in the scope of what you're trying to protect, which opens the possibility for somebody to make just a minor modification to your invention and get around your patents. So it's really important to go to somebody that's experienced, that knows their way around patent, knows how to write claims, knows how to get you the best protection and the broadest protection available.